Well guys, this is check day 3. Well, we have another one to deal with. That's the best way, instead of shooting them. It's a little juvenile, but homeowner says there's 4 or 5 more, so reset them. So yeah, every night they're coming to here. And he says they're coming from that gas meter. So we got them located. So we'll put us we're gonna put a trap there, and we'll put some around the corner here. Okay guys, here's the remakes. I use cardboard a lot on the treadle, and they just put a little bit of pressure on that. It's like on a hair trigger. But on this gravel, it's real hard to entice them to get in. So you need to give them some eye appeal on some cardboard, peanut butter to hold the cat food in place, marshmallows to simulate eggs. And as you can see, this one here, once again, we're gravel. It's hard to get them to get in there, so take a piece of cardboard, put peanut butter, cat food on it, marshmallows, and who wouldn't want to go in after that, huh? We'll probably have another one tomorrow. These are sort of like mice. Now, where they're coming from is, I think they're coming out of the neighbor's bushes over there, or there's a ditch line with a culvert. But along this line here, we catch something every night. But I'm only allowed to catch skunks. I have to release all other animals because they like looking at the critters. So here we go. And he won't move. Look how bad his mouth is tore up. And he's just been sitting here since I dumped him. I had to dump him out to get him out. So every night I catch something here. We got a big coyote trail right up there. I'd love to trap it, but he's also overrun with foxes, and I'm not allowed to catch them. I'm afraid if I put MB 450s or MB 550s down, I'd end up catching those foxes. He just won't leave. And I bet you in a matter of minutes he's going to be back in my trap.